and welcome to Narayana IAS live session. Students, in today's live session, we are going to discuss a very important topic. Rather, we are going to discuss a very important judgment of the Supreme Court and the implication of it. So, let me just read out the title of the topic. The title of the topic is Supreme Court upholds validity of Tamil Nadu's Arunthathiyar Quota law. In this article, we are going to understand two important things. One is the sub-categorization of the scheduled castes. And the other, we are going to understand the difference between procedural and substantive equality. And you can map this topic under GES paper 2, right? Now, there's a previous question asked in the UPSC examination, so a question can be asked on the SCs as well. The question was, the reservation of seats for women in the institutions of local self-government has had a limited impact on the patriarchal character of the Indian political process. Similar such of question can also be asked on the categorization or sub-categorization of scheduled castes. What is the context? The context, we all know that the Supreme Court has given a major decision, and the judgment being that the Supreme Court has allowed the states to subcategorize the scheduled castes. Now, as the Supreme Court has given this judgment, in the persuasion of this Supreme Court judgment, the Supreme Court has also upheld a Tamil Nadu government law which was made in the year 2009. So, you might get confused with this particular statement or context, but let me simplify further. As I told you, the Supreme Court subcategorized, ruled that subcategorization within SCC is constitutionally permissible. The reason why the Supreme Court allowed for subcategorization of scheduled castes is because this subcategorization will help to achieve substantive equality. First, let me help you understand what is subcategorization of SCs. Now, SC is a group of many communities, right? It's a group of many communities. Let's say we have A, B, C, D, E, F, and likewise there are many castes in the scheduled caste. Now, the social and economic condition of each and every caste is not going to be the same. There might or there will be a caste which is socially and educationally as well as economically backward than the other caste in the scheduled caste group. Now, as the Supreme Court has allowed for this subcategorization of SCs, which means, let's say for example, this B community is socially and educationally backward. The state government can help this caste B by providing reservation in government jobs as well as educational institutions. Are you getting my point? So this is known as subcategorization of SCs, and this will help achieve substantive equality. There are two types of equality. One is procedural equality, the second one is substantive equality. Let us understand the difference between procedural and substantive. Procedural equality states that each and every one are equal. In the eyes of the law, each and every one are equal. The law doesn't discriminate people belonging to different categories. The law will treat each and every group one and the same. This is procedural equality. Substantive equality realizes that the society has inherent flaws or inherent disparities, which means not every category or every group is one and the same in the society. There are inherent disparities in the society, and that's the reason the group which is socially or relatively backward will be given help by the state so as to achieve inclusive growth. This is known as substantive equality. So the reservation that we give to the OBCs, SCs, STs, women, this is an example of substantive equality. I hope you understood the difference between procedural and substantive equality. And what is subclassification? That I explained in the previous slide. Now this is about the Arunthathiyar, which is a scheduled caste in Tamil Nadu. Now this is a subgroup within the SCs and they are found in Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Andhra as well as Karnataka. And there are many such subcastes as well as, right? Now the Arunthathiyar, the reason why Tamil Nadu gave them reservation is because relatively Arunthathiyar, this is a socially and educationally backward group. Historically, they have been banished from the society. They were not treated as equal in the society. Historically, they have been doing menial jobs such as leather work, manual scavenging, and that's the reason they were ostracized by the society. And that's the reason the state of Tamil Nadu felt that in order to uplift this caste, it is important that the state provides reservation, and that's the reason the state provided 16% reservation to the seats or 16% reservation to the Arunthathiyar community. Punjab had also a similar law which allowed for sub-categorization within SCs. For example, they provided reservation for the Balmikis and the Mazhabi Sikhs within the SC category, which means that this is nothing but sub-categorization of the scheduled caste. Now, this judgment of the Supreme Court will be a precedent or example for the other states. Now, as the Supreme Court has allowed the states to sub-categorize the SCs, the other states would also bring similar such of laws, thereby giving reservation to a particular caste in the scheduled caste who are relatively backward than the other castes within the SC category. This is something very, very important. This could influence the future policies throughout our nation. Right, students? So I hope you understood this topic. It is important to understand the sub-categorization of the SCs and then the difference between the procedural and substantive equality. I hope students you understood this article, and I'm pretty sure that such articles will help you to get good marks in the examination. Right? So students, if you want us to continue with our live session, then please do like, share and support Narayana IAS. Thank you so much.